Hello guys, R6Tube here, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of my new pistol. This is my new 1911. I've been saving a lot of money for this gun. I've been working overtime actually just to get this gun. Alright, picked it up just today, and let's see what we have. Voila! It's my new Colt Gold Cup 1911. Let's go zoom in a little bit. Right there. Oh yeah. This is my first 1911. I've shot one before, and ever since I've been wanting to get one. There you go. That's a picture of the sight. 100 years anniversary grip. Very nice. This gun smells so good. Just want to smell it all day. Alright, this gun came with 2 magazines, 7-rounder, and an 8-rounder magazine. Also came with locks, gears, an extra spring. I think it's for target spring. I'm not quite sure about it, but I'll read more into it and I'll let you guys know. Came with takedown wrench, help NRA, of course, and the manual. I can't believe I have this gun. My first 1911. Very nice. I've been dry firing it, and it's so smooth. I can't wait to go to the range. I just gotta make a video today, just because I can't wait to show it to you guys. Very nice. Colt Gold Cup 1911. Here we go. I'll show you guys a full review next time, but for now, just the unboxing. Thank you guys for viewing.